Students, myself Smriti Pandey, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, CM Dubey PG College, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. My topic is Dairy Starter Culture, Fermented Dairy Products. It includes yogurt, acidophilus milk, cumisses, kefir, dahi and cheese. My contents are Introduction, Dairy Starter Cultures, Fermentation Process, Fermented Dairy Product, which includes yogurt, acidophilus milk, cumisses, kefir, dahi, cheese, conclusion and references. First of all, introduction. The main source of fermented dairy product is the milk. The milk is normal secretion of the mammary gland of animals. The milk produced by cow, goat and other animal is used for human consumption. Milk is the most nearly complete food for humans and is an excellent culture medium for many microbial species. The average chemical composition based on the analysis of a large number of milk sample containing proteins, mainly casein, which is 2.5%, lactose 5.0%, fat 3.6%, water 87.5% and various mineral and vitamin which are 0.7%. Due to the moderate pH 6.4 to 6.6, good quantity of nutrients, high water contents etc. make milk an excellent nutrient for the microbial growth. Dairy starter culture. Dairy starter culture are microorganisms that are intentionally added to milk in order to create a desired outcome in the final product, most often through their growth and fermentation process. The natural microflora of the milk is either inefficient, uncontrollable and unpredictable, or is destroyed altogether by the heat treatments given to the milk. A starter culture can provide particular characteristic in a more controlled and predictable fermentation. An ideal starter culture must contain qualities like the maximum number of viable organisms, must be free from contaminants, must be highly active under production condition in the dairy. Functions of starter culture. The primary function of lactic starters is the production of lactic acid from lactose. Other function includes formation of flavored compounds like diacetyl and acetaldehyde, alcohol production, proteolytic and lipolytic activities, inhibition of undesirable organisms, acid production, gas formation and lactose utilization. Classification of starter culture. Starter cultures are of two types, lactic and non-lactic. Lactic starter culture include rot and cocci. Rot contain lactobacillus, cocci have examples lactococcus, streptococcus, leuconostoc, pediococcus, etc. Non-lactic starter culture have bacteria, yeast and molds. Bacteria examples are Brevibacterium linens, Acidobacter aceti, Bifidobacteria, Propionibacteria, etc. Yeast contain Candida kefir, Saccharomyces species, Torulaspora, etc. Mold contain Penicillium species, Aspergillus oryzae, Mucor, Giliotrichum candidum, etc. Fermentation process. Louis Pasteur was the first zymologist when he connected yeast to fermentation. Fermentation is one of the oldest methods which is used for the preservation of food. Fermentation is a process in which carbohydrate such as starch and sugar is converted into alcohol and or acid with the help of microorganisms. Fermentation is the process which enhances the nutritive value and appearance of the food. Fermented dairy product. A variety of fermented milk products are produced with the help of selected microorganisms. Fermented dairy products gives a delectable flavor, pleasing consistency and prolonged keeping quality. The fermentation process increases the shelf life of the product while enhancing its taste and improving the digestibility of its milk. It includes yogurt, acidophilus milk, chymices, kefir, dahi and cheese. Yogurt. Yogurt is derived from a Turkish word jugat, which is in the most popular fermented milk. Yogurt is produced by the controlled fermentation of milk by two species of bacteria, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Lactobacillus thermophilus. Proteolytic enzymes from Lactobacillus bulgaricus break down milk proteins into peptides. These peptides stimulate the growth of Lactobacillus thermophilus, which in turn produces formic acid and carbon dioxide. This is the flow chart of yogurt production. Here raw milk is taken where water content is reduced by adding milk solids by the process standardization. Standardization of milk refers to the adjustment, which means rising or lowering of fat. Then homogenization. It is the process of breaking down the fat molecules in milk so that they stay integrated rather than separating as cream. Homogenization also prevents creaming and weighing off during incubation and storage. Stability, consistency, body and textures are enhanced by homogenization. Then heating and then cooling. It includes the process addition of a starter culture, which is 1 to 3%, then incubation in tanks, then stirring, then addition of fruits, homogenization, cooling, then filling into containers, and we get processed yogurt. This is picture. Now acidophilus milk. Whole or skimmed milk is fermented with Lactobacillus acidophilus, which is having therapeutic benefits in the gastrointestinal tract. It has a very harsh acid taste and rejected by many consumers. To overcome this, sweet acidophilus milk was developed. In this, the bacteria are grown separately and added to pasteurized milk, and the inoculated milk is kept at 4 degrees Celsius. When this milk is consumed, the beneficial bacteria are activated in a warm stomach and intestinal tract. This cultured product is usually low in fat and has a longer shelf life than ordinary milk. Production of acidophilus milk. Light cow milk or pasteurized reconstituted whey are taken, which is heat treated at 37 degrees Celsius. Then addition of prebiotic combination, which is 3%. Then mixing gently. Then inoculation of probiotic cultures. Then incubation at 37 degrees Celsius until pH 4.8. Then cooling, packaging and storage at 4 degrees Celsius temperature. Now chymices. Chymices is a type of fermented dairy product made from mare's milk containing 1 to 3% alcohol, mostly in European countries. Nowadays, an imitation product of chymices is being made from cow's milk. Because cow's milk has a higher ratio of casein to serum proteins and lower lactose content, the composition of cow's milk is adjusted by adding a heat treated retentate of whey ultrafiltration. The organism used for the production of chymices are Lactobacillus bulgaricus, yeast, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bacterium aeruginosa, etc. This is the procedure for the preparation of chymices sample. Here skimmed milk is taken and reconstituted whole milk powder, then sucrose addition 90 gram per liter, then homogenization, temperature 60 degrees Celsius, then pasteurization, temperature 90 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then cooling at 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, then culture addition, then incubation for 22 hours, temperature 24 degrees Celsius, then cooling for 24 hours at temperature 4 degrees Celsius, that coagulation, packing and storage at 4 degrees